What's up? Today, something a little different. Working on the truck. Yeah. Working on the Cummins. I've been having a vibration on this thing for a while. I went through 3 carrier bearings. So I started looking into it, and I needed a drive shaft. So there's the new one. 5-inch aluminum. It's supposed to be a real good drive shaft, so we'll see. Gotta get this old one off and get her changed out, so let's get it. So pretty much all you need is a 15. All those 4 bolts are 15s. We got a bolt here, 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 and then 2 more right there. As you can see, this carrier's new. And it's got play in it already, but the main issue is right here. You can see that U-joint. This truck, it's got almost 315,000 miles now. This is the original drive shaft, so hey, makes sense. I was just gonna put a U-joint in, but you know, hey, that aluminum looks pretty nice, and it's probably not gonna vibrate at all. So we'll see. Let's get this thing changed out. All right, boys, 4 bolts out. Now we got to work on the front. Let's get it. So there's the old drive shaft. This is the top mounting plate for the carrier bracket. As you can see, this balancer right here is all cracked and rotted. But this U-joint right here is a shot. So anyway, here's my new shaft. 5-inch aluminum, really nice drive shaft. Put together by Action Machine in South Bend. If you ever want to get a hold of them, that's a nice drive shaft. So we'll get this sucker in. Let's get it. she is, dudes. Check that. That is good looking. Don't make fun of my ratchet strap on my exhaust. It's all about flexibility. Anyway, I'm gonna take this thing up to the gas station, get her washed. We'll see how much vibration she has. Hopefully there's 0. Let's get it. Feel it. You can feel that drive shaft, feel the play in it. I always thought it was the carrier bearing, and then I inspected everything else, and that U-joint was a shot. So, hey, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna get her washed up, get her looking good for this special occasion, boys. Let's get it.
Nah, I remember all them long nights, some cold nights, yeah. She looking at me, telling me she gon' be alright. Said, yeah, I'ma hold on tight. She said, yeah, I'ma hold on tight. But I'ma keep on trying till it all goes bad. I got some brothers who ain't make it yet, it's just so sad. My team grinding and grinding, yeah, we just all in our bed. We working hard for this shit we ain't had. But I got a bad little shawty with a waist so thin. I'm tryna turn around and do it again. I got my homie, you got room for your friend. We been riding, we got the roof off the Benz, and I've been riding so long. Yeah, I do this for my family. All them long nights we was riding in that Camry. I've been talking and I don't think you understand me. This life is so cold, yeah, this life can get so scary. Yeah, this life can get so scary. Yeah, this life can get so scary. Yeah, I've been down before, yeah, I've been down before. Girl, you just kept asking when I started asking more. Bought you them shoes, they so icy, yeah, they clean the floor. When we go out, we go shopping and we buy the store. And I'ma ride for you, if you ride for me, baby girl.
Alright, boys, truck is looking fresh. Pretty much fixed the vibration problem, so I'm good with it, dude. She's looking clean as heck. Anyway, hey, that's it for today, boys. I'll probably keep doing truck videos, so stay tuned. Let's get it.